Ka kamri Dohkha po kani ka jala kat nang mi kisngi kala long ka wei na ki kam ka balpen mentoy ya ki babon ki bria ki badan banta kani ka kam pat ka bala ban ong ba kani ka kam ka bala nang yai kiu kum kasin jam ban Pyntbit shu ya ki Nongri Dohkha u Abhilash Baranwal IAS Deputy Commissioner Kyrwoh District ha ka khan riu tari rumpang araja apun riu ula pen ko buram ya san pa ungot ki Nongri Dohkha ki ban yo ya ka jing Hikai ka basan sngi ha Aquatech Park ka badan ha kalong kapili ka jala Assam Kani ka kunhon kadai ka baning kong na padang ki arpusantali ki batch na ka district ki ban yo ya ka jing Hikai ha ka capacity building but human resources development program for the fisheries sector lingba ka district administration jungari Bhoi district but ka bala baiting ka da ka Meghalaya state skill development society Ya kadai ka program ka ban pen trai kam da ka office trai kam ka superintendent of fisheries Bhoi district ka don ya ka thong ban ai jing Hikai ya 6000 arspa san phongot ki Nongri Dohkha ki ban ka ka district ha ki babun banta ki be day bat kani ka kam
So basically we earnestly thank MSSDS for sponsoring the training proposal that we had sent from the district. Very generously they have agreed for our proposal for training of over 1600 fish farmers who will be trained at different institutes including Kapili, the residential training institute at Shillong as well as our own training institute at Mapun. So this is the first batch which is being flagged off today. Similarly there will be additionally 25 more batches. So hopefully with this support that MSSDS under the leadership of Honorable CM Sir, we will be able to bring a wholesome change in the fish farming environment over here. And Bhoi, as we all know, has huge potential for fish farming, and this is just the start. So we hereby flag off the first batch of the trainees who will be going for training for Kapili. Yes, sir. Thank you.
abi pin ai lang siki we pan kiba mi banuan te sakawero kidan hangge longdan ka buram ka akor disiplin hindi pin berat kaya pin berat plastik berat ai kami bakani ka ding jongki le khoi ya ka kum ka ying jong ba kum ma pile ai mo tang ka tai kwa ban ni I'm director of Kolongkopile. Kolongkopile is a non-government organization and working in Northeast region as well as some parts of India. Last 18 years we are working in this aquaculture sector, and we are able to provide livelihood support to around 1 lakh family through aquaculture. We are happy to share you that we have aquaculture field school recognized by ICRC, first of its kind in Northeast region. Now that aquaculture field school has been upgraded to Aquatech Park by our Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma on 12 July 2025. This is one-stop solution. We can provide training on sustainable and modern aquaculture practices. When a farmer can learn pond-based aquaculture as well as at the same time they can also learn modern-based aquaculture like biofloc, RS, aquaponics, ornamental breeding unit, etc. Today I am very happy and I convey my sincere thanks to respected Deputy Commissioner of Bhoi, Sri Abhilash Varanwal sir. He has taken a unique step to strengthen the fishery value chain in Bhoi district. As a result, today he has flagged off around 500 farmers for residential training in collaboration with Aquatech Park of Kolongkopile. He has created a platform where he bring the stakeholders like the Department of Fisheries Meghalaya State Skills Development Society, NABARD and Kolongkopile, and I think this unique module will definitely help to strengthen the fishery value chain in Bhoi district. Actually, our model is a unique model because we have a comprehensive training module where didactic approach will be done, and there including there are numbers of activity like theory classes, hands-on training, group activity, exposure visit, interaction with progressive farmers, and it is a unique training module. I believe that after getting this knowledge, definitely they can scale up their fish farming in their respective area.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.